Want to cool off with a refreshing drink? Let's make a cucumber mint cooler. Here's what you need: fresh cucumbers, mint leaves, lime, sparkling water, and a touch of honey. First, slice the cucumbers into thin rounds. This will add an extra chill to our cooler. Next, muddle the mint leaves. This releases their aromatic oils, enhancing the flavor. Combine the cucumber slices, muddled mint, lime juice, and a drizzle of honey in a large pitcher. Finally, top up the mixture with sparkling water. Stir gently to combine all the flavors. Serve your cucumber mint cooler over ice, garnished with extra mint leaves. Enjoy your refreshing drink. Want to beat the heat with a refreshing drink? Let's make a cucumber mint cooler. You'll need cucumbers, fresh mint, lime, soda water, and a touch of honey. First, slice the cucumbers and chop the mint leaves finely. Next, squeeze lime juice into a glass and add a dash of honey. Add the sliced cucumbers and chopped mint into the glass. Pour soda water over the mixture and stir gently. Garnish with a mint sprig and enjoy your refreshing cucumber mint cooler.